Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been about a week and a half since the last time I did it, but I want to get things updated. Definitely needs to be updated. And chart pulled back, obviously, but has acted like you would want to see it act, and has really come through strong in terms of bouncing from the support level that you would want to see it bounce from. Before I talk about the bounce and the support level that you wanted to see hold, I first want to get this chart updated. These lines are from one of the previous times I did it. These lines were support the last time I did it, but because the price has dropped below them, they have now turned back into levels of resistance. So that's the first thing that I do want to get updated here, is just changing these supports back into resistance levels. We'll touch base with these again, but let's first talk about that support level. And that being, if you watched the videos before, I'm sure you've heard me talk about it multiple times. This purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average, that's the level that, in order for the overall trend to remain bullish, you want to see the price hold above it and ideally bounce from it. And that's exactly what happened here. You can see price came down, found support, and since then has been, trampoline effect pretty much, bounced from right around 19.5 cents, 18 cents, whatever it was a couple days ago, and is now back up into the low 30s. So quite a nice bounce, and hopefully, this is just the beginning of a bounce, and we'll start to see it clear these levels of resistance. So that brings us to that point. These previous supports, this one right here at 35 is now the level of resistance. So 35 cents right now is the key level, like I said, of resistance. And then actually, if you look right there at that blue line, the 10-day simple moving average, that's also valued at 35 cents. So 35 cents from just being a previous support, and then this moving average both make up that level. And then going up a little further, this previous level of support up here right around the 41 cent is also going to be another level of resistance. Then after that, nothing until back up here at 50 cents. This is still the big one that will need to be broken. And actually, I'll update that, make it even thicker, because there is clearly some selling up there, and this is definitely the level that needs to be broken. But very nice chart, and it all starts with right there. Nothing wrong with the pullback as long as key levels of support can hold, and this was definitely a key level of support. And like I said, not only did it hold, it's actually been acting like a trampoline and has bounced the price up nicely. So we'll have to see how much further this price or the price is going to go on this current bounce. And then finally, just want to end with this level of support. We'll move it down, and we're going to call it right here at 26 cents, 25.5 if you want to get really specific. The reason this is a support, real quick, if you go back here and look at the price history, you can see acted as support basically 3 days in a row there, acted as support right there, and then when the price did fall, or break below it, there was a pretty big fall that followed. But now that the price broke back above it, you can see the nice move up here. So 25.5 cents, 26 cents, whatever you want to call it, is going to be that other level of support along with the 50-day simple moving average right there. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a newsletter up there, and when you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and make an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and education. It's been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check that out and give it a try. One more time, this was MJNA. Thanks for listening.